So what is going on with GameStop and AMC, and is the rally over? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and let's go ahead and talk about this. So I did end up trading AMC today. I originally shorted it, covered my short, and then went long on it, and that's where my trade pretty much ended. There's been a huge retracement on AMC from highs of $13 all the way to lows of $5 per share. If I'm not mistaken, AMC has lost approximately about 60% of its value in just the past 2 trading days. Now, GME is also not looking the best, right? Hitting highs of $80 per share, and it is now pulled on back about 54, almost 55%. Now, why exactly did this sell-off happen? Well, AMC tumbles after 2-day rally because AMC actually announced today that it was going to be selling 23 million of its shares. That's about $165 million worth of AMC stock to pay off debt. So a lot of people viewed this to be a buzzkill. They are obviously doing their part to try to not go bankrupt. So when they saw that prices were inflated, they took advantage of it. Could it have gone higher for longer? Possibly. But again, it looks like AMC was simply focusing on looking out for themselves again. And I think as people should, right? I'm sorry, I know a lot of people are going to be very biased where they're like, no, they messed it up. Like, yeah, they messed it up probably for you, but you have to understand they're looking out for themselves, just like you should look out for yourselves. Now, the question that everyone is asking, is this rally over? Not necessarily, right? We've seen a really nice retracement all the way back down to $5. I think the next few days, as in Thursday and Friday, will really give us a better understanding of, okay, are we going to continue to retrace back down to the $4 or $2 price point? For AMC or for GME, it's going to be a little bit different. Are we going to be retracing back to that $15 to $17 price point that we experienced before this rally actually happened? Or did it pull back enough that it's finally going to begin to, show signs of a support and begin to rally? It was like almost impossible to short GME today or to short AMC today. So there weren't a lot of shares available to short. So that is at least in your guys' favor for those that are hoping that AMC and GME go up. I'm going to pay attention to it. I don't mind trading this. I've been very open with you guys. I'm not here to pretend to be one of you guys that's here for the movement. I trade live every morning. I show them that I buy and that I sell the stock. My focus is to lock in profits. I just, again, encourage everyone to do the same in the sense of do your part in looking out for yourself. I mean, everyone continues to talk about, oh my God, like this was a nice rally. This was really nice. This was really nice. Are you not paying attention to what happened in the past, right? This thing went from $393 all the way down to $2. It lost 99% of its value within a very short period of time. It's been a consistent descending pattern. So no, I don't feel sorry for you that you didn't do your part in locking in profits. Does this mean that the rally is over? Well, no, this stock is all momentum based. So if enough people rally together where they can really establish a support and there's a breakout, then yeah, I mean, direction is key. And that's with every trade, especially with momentum trades. So I'm very excited to follow up. I don't care to go long. I don't care to go short. I'm focused on one thing, and that is direction. If this thing begins to indicate signs of an uptrend because it's pulled back enough, I wouldn't be surprised, right? You Reddit traders, you meme traders have surprised me with just that anything is possible. But with that being said, I want to respect you enough to say, I hope that you do your part in locking in profits to just look out for yourself. If you don't want to because you want to try to stick it to the big guy and this is for the movement, it didn't work out so well for everyone else that tried. And this time it looks like there's not as much steam and momentum as there was in the past before. So just my 2 cents, which again means absolutely nothing. I wish you nothing but the best. I hope that you do your part in looking out for yourself. I just wanted to make you aware that, again, I think the next few days will really determine if this hype is all over based off of that price action, if the price action just continues back down to $2 per share, or if we finally begin to establish a support and begin to indicate signs of an uptrend and a breakout. I would love to take part in this rally if and only if direction is favorable. And that's all I'm ever paying attention to. It's not personal. I'm just here for one thing, and that's to make money trading in the stock market, just like everyone else. It's not about the movement for me. It's not about anything else. I'm just here to make money. and I'm at least open with you guys about it. So I'm going to be following up with this one. If you guys want to subscribe to me for updates, I'd love to do so. And also we had the CPI data report. I know a lot of you guys don't even care about that are trading meme stocks, but while I have you here, CPI data report came out, which is an inflation report on a monthly basis. Inflation actually showed that it was going down. So it went from 3.5% to 3.2%. Not very significant, but I think it's a step in the right direction for the Federal Reserve to hopefully working towards cutting interest rates. They can only cut interest rates if inflation begins to go down. Overall, inflation is not really showing too much signs of that progress, but core CPI definitely is. We've been making a steady decline with that. So we'll just have to follow up. We have unemployment initial claims and continuing claims tomorrow because it's Thursday. I will be talking about that during our live trading session. If you ever want to tune on in, it's the second link in the description down below. I hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is also linked down below. And again, we have Nancy Pelosi Trader of the Year tees starting at $25 at shoptechbuds.com or the fourth link in the description down below. Appreciate your time like always. Let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.